Is your AC making strange noises, blowing warm air, or giving off a weird smell? Notice water leaking, or your unit just won't turn on. These are warning signs your system might be dealing with a failing motor, compressor, or refrigerant leak, and waiting could cost you more. At Best Choice Heating and Cooling, we specialize in fast, affordable AC repair, professional installations, and year-round maintenance to keep your system running like new. We're family-owned, licensed, and trusted throughout the valley. Don't wait for a total breakdown. Let our certified techs solve the problem before it gets worse. Call or message Best Choice today. Your comfort is our priority.